Hello, in front of me I have MOTOROLA Razr 70, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of the data. Okay, the whole process is really easy. Actually, we only have one method to create the backup, and to do it we gotta open up the settings, then keep scrolling down until you find backup or copy data, and then select backup data. In here we are going to use our Google account to create a backup. It will be stored in the cloud of our Google account. Down below we have the backup details. Everything needs to be turned on. For example, in my case, photos and videos are not turned on, so I gotta tap on them, and then we gotta enable the checkbox. In here, click on Let's Go. You don't need to allow for notifications, and now we can close this window, and when we go back we can see that photos and videos are now turned on. If you click on Other Device Data, it also needs to be turned on, and down below we have our Google account that we are currently signed into. And it's important that we cannot forget on which Google account we are creating our backup, because for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, for example on a different device, you'll have to sign in into the exact same Google account, and only then you'll be able to restore the data. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you may have to click on Clean Up Space or Get Storage. And now to create a backup, go back and tap on this green button. The whole process will begin. We need to keep waiting. In here, a small circle has appeared, and as you take a look, it's slowly fulfilling. Now we just gotta keep waiting until it disappears. If everything goes fine, we will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. And now we just gotta keep waiting until it's done. Okay, I think it seems that it has created. My screen just turned off, but as we click on Other Device Data, we can see that when we scroll down, that our backup has been created. It's been done 0 minutes ago, because it was made like 30 seconds ago. And as we go to the backup details, for example, we can see that 26 apps has been copied, also the device settings. In my case, I don't have data for the call history and the SMS messages, so that is why it says no data backup, because simply I don't have any call history or SMS messages and MMS messages. But everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.